today, and that too on the much-awaited IPO. I'm talking about NSE. My colleague Charu has been following this story very closely and has picked up some exclusive details from our sources. Charu, what are you picking up?
So India's leading stock exchange, the National Stock Exchange, is inching closer to its IPO approvals as per some people in the know, because the entire process of granting them an NOC and approving their settlement and then eventually, giving further approvals has been put on fast track. Now this means that the officials who are, responsible to deal with their approvals have been asked to deal with it on priority and, give it the due diligence that it deserves on a first basis manner. That means that all other cases and all other approvals and all other tasks that they are engaged with will be slightly sidelined. Now, other things that we have been told is that open observations are being looked into. That is, any reference related to the exchange, any complaint, any other information, case, legal cases that are pending, all of them are being looked into currently in a very diligent manner. I would like to tell the viewers that currently there are some litigations pending back in Delhi as well, before the Delhi High Court, one before the Supreme Court, where both the exchange and the regulator are parties. So all these things are also being looked into very closely. Now this is being done to maintain a tight timeline of sorts, because as we reported earlier as well, the approvals for settlement are likely to come by the end of July, and then we will get to know more about the NOC approvals, and then they will start working on the DRHP from scratch. That is likely to come by November or December, and then the DRHP might get approved. But depending on the conduciveness of the market, it has been told to Profit through several sources that they could be launching the IPO in the starting of FY27 or at the very end of FY26. And to achieve that, the regulator has currently put the entire process on fast track.
Oh, okay. The timeline for the IPO launch is likely to be end of FY26 or the first quarter of FY27, which means, Charu, by this time around next year, in the next 12 months, NSE would be a listed entity?
It is a very high possibility, because see, even if the DRHP takes some time to get approved, the sources have told that based on the conduciveness of the market, they really want the IPO to be launched by the last quarter of FY26 or the beginning of FY27. And there are a lot of shareholders, over 1 lakh of them in the unlisted area as well, who are looking forward to this to make some value out of the money that they have invested. So let's see how it rolls out.
Very, very interesting.